continues from Tuglay Benguet, Church in Tuglay. Salamat nga sa Panginoon dahil yung Kristong nasa inyo ay nasa sa amin din. And the Christ indwelling is really the Lord who is Spirit, as is said in 2 Corinthians 3:17. He is the Lord's Spirit. But praise the Lord, further, he says that in 2 Timothy 4:22, he said the Lord's Spirit is with you, with your spirit. So siya ay nasa spirit na natin. But further, hindi lang siya nasa spirit natin, na nananahan lang. He is the law. So he has the law. The spirit, the law of the Spirit of life has freed us from the law of sin and of death. Kaya salamat ka sa Panginoon. Talagang automatic siya na nagtatrabaho sa atin. He is working out His nature within us. He is not only the life, He is not only the Lord in us, but this life is working automatically within us to work out His nature within us. So not only in our spirit, but He's moving towards our soul. So how we praise the Lord? And further, in Romans 8:11, it says that He's working out Himself also to give life to our mortal bodies. So kompleto nga itong triune God na nananahan sa atin, na nagtatrabaho sa atin automatically. So praise the Lord. What a wonderful God we have indwelling us. And then salamat na sa blending na to. Nakikita ko kung gaano karami o yung gaano ka-huge yung amount ng Panginoon na nasa sa inyo.